Don't judge me, judge your mama. What it is, what it do, 10 Food Therapy Crew. I am back with another video. I'm back with another video, and I do appreciate you for clicking this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe before you do anything else. Just comment hi, comment bye. Comment you like how good my food look, because I know you do. This is homemade. I'm ready to try it out. I got this from my homegirl. It's so good, and I'm ready to see. And before we get started, I do got some wine. I got my favorite wine. I've never had my favorite wine, but this is absolutely my favorite wine. It's called Sweetwater. Yeah, Sweetwater Pineapple. I usually get the red one, Sweetwater Red, but I didn't this time. Jesus turned water into wine, so let's eat and drink. First, we're gonna pray, okay? Dear God, thank you for this food I prepared. Make sure you bless my hand because I prepared. In Jesus' name I pray, amen. Yeah. And make sure that I don't get sick. Cause your boy ain't no pro. I ain't no pro. Got the win, go away. Okay, let's see. I'm also gonna show you all how I made it. I'm gonna show you a couple clips of how I made this. This is called lasagna rolls, and I got the idea from It's So Good. And let's see if it's good. Also got some sour cream. I got sour cream. Yep. So let's see. Let me try it first. It's ground turkey and turkey sausage. Okay. Let's see. Okay. It is pretty good. I'm gonna try some whipped cream with it. I'm gonna have to get some of my hot sauce and put some of my hot sauce on it. Louisiana. I know somebody said it for me. Louisiana. Oh yeah. Yeah. That's it. It's hot. It's hot. I do want to try this hot sauce on it, just so I can give me some spice. Now I put garlic, onions, garlic and onions and spinach in here. But I'm gonna need something a little spicy, you know. Oh, that wine is good. I just forgot that I got a bottle of water in the freezer, and I hope it don't freeze. Cause it's gonna be for me while I'm studying. I know this sounds weird, drinking wine and gonna study, but you know it happens. I'm gonna show you why it's called lasagna roll. I'm not sure if you can see that, but I'm gonna show you a clip this road. Homemade lasagna rolls. That's some cheese I should not have put on it. Get some sour cream. A little bit of that. There's some hot sauce on there. It don't take a lot of Louisiana hot sauce now. So y'all, I went and bought a camera yesterday. I recorded on it, made video, downloaded it to my laptop, and I just couldn't upload it to YouTube. I didn't like the camera because the quality, it was not what I expected. I could just use my iPhone, to be honest. I could just use my iPhone. Like I'm doing. Like I'm doing. I ain't made no difference. I'm washing bed sheets. Yeah. This Sweetwater is so good. I love Walter and his wife. They get me together every time. And it's really sweet. Lasagna and wine. Excuse me. Don't ask me why I'm drinking wine out of a coffee cup because I'm grown. Don't judge me, judge your mama. This stuff is hot. Yeah, so I enjoyed the BET Awards. I'm talking about, I usually only watch the performances, but this time I enjoyed everything about the BET Awards. I watched from the beginning to end. But I just did not watch, the after show. We just couldn't get into it. Can't get into it. The after party or the after show? I don't know. But that BET Awards was so long. It was so long. Yeah, as y'all can tell, I still have not got my hair cut. Due to, you already know if you watched a couple of my videos before, that my barber messed me up. So I'm just gonna wait a couple weeks before I get another haircut. Usually black guys go a week or 2 weeks to get a haircut, you know. I wish I could whistle. Hold on. I think your mouth gotta be dry. Child, I can't whistle. Ooh. Let's see. Too bad I couldn't find the small. They got me out of $3. Overall, this is okay. I probably should add some different cheese, some more cheese inside of the roll part. I probably should try like a 3 cheese. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully you do. Hopefully you know what I'm saying. I got the Walter red wine. Yeah. I mean, Walter pineapple. Wait, sweet Walter pineapple. Take it to church. I'm so silly. I didn't get too much, so you can see. I'm almost finished, y'all. Y'all, I'm full. And this wine is really good. Really good. Excuse me. That was enough for me. Enough. Enough. Superb. 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 I do suggest that you all go and try Sweet Walter's. I love it. You can't go wrong with Sweet Walter wine. You cannot. You just can't. Reasonable price. It's really good. And there's enough alcohol. Only for the grown-ups now. If you ain't grown, then don't try to go do it. Because you ain't finna say, Tim told me to go do this, Tim told me to go do that. No, no, sir. No, ma'am. Nope. I sure ain't told no man to go buy no alcohol. I'm a server and kids be trying to come in and drink. Just saying, I be feeling bad for them because I used to know how I feel. Because when I was a freshman in college, I used to want to go drink so bad. I wasn't a drinker, but I wanted to do it because a lot of the people, a lot of the friends I had during freshman year were they had either fake ID or they was of age. I wasn't finna buy a fake because I'm not going to jail. And I probably just drink on my own. Had somebody go buy me a bottle of wine and watch a movie alone. Watch it alone. Because I'm single. And it's okay. And I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying every bit of it. I ain't ever been in a relationship. And I'm looking forward to when I do get in it. I do get in one. We'll let y'all know how they go. I'll let y'all know how they go. But whatever. Let me finish this wine before I do my closing. I do appreciate you for watching my video on my homemade lasagna roll-ups. It was okay. It was not the best, but the wine did enough. The wine did enough for your boy. But like I always tell you, tell your mama, your sister, your daddy, your son, your whoever to watch my next video. Because you never know what you're going to get.